Sorry, guys. We must have lost you there for a second. I don't know what happened to the stream. Hello, guys. Am I still here? Uh-oh. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so internet connection messed up. That was unexpected. Sorry. I'm gonna finish this article. I don't know what happened, but you guys have to hit the like button again because we just dropped the stream. Oh no. Okay. You guys are back. Internet's been a little messed up recently. We'll just finish off this article. So after that, its growth rate will be determined by what happens during the time in regard of legalization of recreational and medical pot in different markets. Hemp could be I don't even know that word, but I think it's going to be take time to see if the optimism with the market is overstated or it is the potential to attract new customers. I don't include hemp sales in my outlook for the company at this time, but if hemp is able to increase demand at the global level, it could provide a surprise for Aurora and other companies. Over the next couple of years, I see Aurora enjoying the best performance it may achieve. As far as growth in value at an accelerated pace, shareholders will probably get the best returns during that time based upon percentage of growth, and I would recommend continuing to take a position in Aurora, in the company at these prices. Finally, don't panic, sell, or be tempted to sell if there are volatile price swings. We already know that. So anyways, I don't know what happened to the stream, but it seems to be that we got cut off because I opened too many webs. Nah, man, I didn't quit. Illuminati is on to us. What do you think about XXII? I'll have to take a look. So that's it for the ACB news. I hope my stream doesn't get broken up into 2 pieces, because that'll be really annoying for my upload on YouTube. But anyways, guys, yeah, let's get into the stocks that we're taking a look at for the week. And we'll start with the cannabis sector, as you guys care the most about that. Was debating adding a position in FSD Pharma. Hello from Reno. So FSD Pharma, thinking about FSD Pharma, we already added Namaste. 48 North Cannabis, that's one we're taking a look at. Saniva, potentially this week. Already added to MedMen. Aurora's a watch. Aphria Health ran a lot, so it's hard to say. Already bought Wayland Group. Oh yeah, MYM Nutraceuticals. This little one. This little stock ran a lot. 43% up to 66 cents, up 20 cents. And I'm still trying to figure out why. I've seen this happen a couple times for MYM. We bounced like crazy. We bounced all the way up to $1 to $1.50, sold off. Now we're going from 45 cents all the way up to 66 cents. So we'll see if we hold on to those gains or sell off, take some profits on that one. But I'm not too sure what's going on with MYM. MYM's been in a consistent downtrend for a long time. Yeah. Stay away from MedMen. They're involved with a lawsuit with their former CFO. Yep, I know that. And we bought that on a basis of we just like where the stock's at right now. If it falls like 20-30% more, definitely buy some more. But I do think like MedMen they have a good business, but they've got a lot of controversy within their actual employees. But you guys need to take advantage of these opportunities sometimes. I mean, if you look at Aphria, one could have said that Aphria, stay away from Aphria at $5, at $6. You know, the CEO is crooked. They're buying up all these shady assets, but then the real news came out and the stock soared. See you later, Joey. So yeah, guys, that's it for the cannabis stocks. To be honest, this week we're just looking to potentially buy some Saniva and watch the rest. we'll see if Aphria continues to run. May sell some more shares. We dumped about half our position on Friday. So right now, the cannabis sector's had a nice run, so I would be kind of cautious about what to buy. Kind of a hold right now. What's the question? Did you see the... Okay. So Steven, I just wanted to ask you, at what point do you plan to take profit on Cronos? Because the stock has gone ballistic. Yeah, MedMen's still iffy at $4, but I couldn't help myself. But yeah, the question is for Steven, at what point are you taking profit? You said $30 US. I think if we see a really green Monday for the sector and Cronos, might be an idea to take some profit. That chart's just really scary to me right now. So, it could. Cronos could drop hard. This is another stock I'm looking at. First Mining Gold. Been waiting to buy some of this stock. Now it did have a pretty big run. If you guys can see, it ran from 20 cents all the way up to 40 cents. Now we're pulling back a little bit. I would love to pick some, if we see another red day, for First Mining Gold and for the gold sector in general, I think we will be buying some First Mining Gold potentially Monday or Tuesday. I wouldn't mind a little more further of a pullback in gold. I think this stock's got a bunch of potential. So for the mining sector, we've added Freeport-McMoRan, Barrick Gold twice last week. Want to add First Mining Gold, First Majestic, Kinross, Alamos, Kirkland Lake Gold. That's another interesting stock. And Wheaton Precious Metals. Suncor. Want to add Suncor this week. Liking Suncor at these levels. Utility companies. I'm pretty bullish on a lot of utility companies right now. Enbridge is looking great. But more so, there's 4 stocks that I really like within the utility and REIT sector. Brookfield Property Partners, Brookfield Renewable Partners, Inter Pipeline, and TransAlta Renewables. 4 stocks on my watch list. Also Brookfield Infrastructure Partners. That's another one that very nice and defensive, but the stock ran too much off those December lows. Went from almost 30 to 40 bucks. The stock picked its socks back up like crazy. Look at that nice dip. Oh, man, I wish I bought that dip. It's all hindsight. Yeah, I wouldn't be touching Brookfield at this point, but Brookfield Renewables. Look at that yield, 6.8%. Stock's made a nice recovery, but definitely has more room to run on this one. Hard to say. Hard to say, guys. Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what happens for the sector this week. Do you have any opinions on Ianthus? What's you bet on the Super Bowl? I don't really watch sports, but I actually have no opinion on the Super Bowl. I probably won't even be watching it. As sad as that sounds, I'm not a big sports fan. My sports are picking stocks and going to the gym, maybe. Going to the gym. What's up, Doug? Thank you, Elizabeth. I appreciate that. I'm not really looking to dive into technical analysis right now. I mean, I'll take a look at individual stocks, but it's more so just an opinion-based stream right now. I just feel like talking to you guys. We got some beef in the stream. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what are you guys looking at for this week? It's not all about me. Stocks are a great sport, Aaron. It's the reason I play the market. The risk to reward. Aaron, any thoughts on MGNA? CEI. Camber Energy? Is this what we're looking at? Oh my gosh, what is wrong with this chart? Yikes. That's all I gotta say. Loading up on a lot of shares. So, okay, let me just go to the cannabis portfolio. We'll talk about some individual stocks, what I think could potentially be in the green this week. All right, let's see. Really, it's hard to say, but I think we could see a sell-off in MYM Nutraceuticals just because it had a 43% run. Hard to say for Aphria. We sold on Friday a bit, so I think there could be a pullback for that. I think T-God can continue to run. Kronos could potentially pull back. I think ACB is going to tread water and go above 10. That's kind of what I want to see. I want to see Suniva drop a bit. MedMen. Let's hope it drops a little bit more, actually, to $4. Pure Global Cannabis is another one to take a look at. Stock's been highly volatile. I use investing.com if you guys are wondering. I use it for my market minute videos. I use investing.com pretty much for a lot of stuff. But actually Investing Hustler uses a really great charting software that talks a lot about moving averages and support levels and different indicators that you guys can follow. Investing, this does too. I just don't really follow those indicators that much. I know you can pull them up somewhere here. You can use a lot of different charts, candle charts. I do like candles for sure. Hey, what's up, Adam? I looked at Fusion 3.0. There wasn't too much information about the company. I got to do some more research. But I mean, I guess that could bring us to the whole uranium sector. I think there's potential in the uranium sector, but it's just like, it's been one of those wait and hold, wait and see type deals. Although Cameco has had actually a pretty good run. I haven't checked in on Cameco in a while. We can take a look at it for you. DG Slots, thank you for supporting the stream. What's up? Thanks for those likes, guys. As my stream friggin' died halfway through. Cameco's recovered nicely. This was a stock I was actually looking at buying when it was around 13 bucks. I think it was last year. 11, 12, 13. And I liked it for the dividend more so than the potential, but its dividend's at 0.5% now, so not really looking at Cameco for the dividend. I think it's a little bit expensive now. At 15 bucks, I'd be neutral on Cameco. Although the uranium sector has a lot more room to go. But yeah, I mean, who made money last week? A lot of people made money last week. We made some good trades. Made money on Aphria, made money on MYM Nutraceuticals, made money on Freeport, McMoran, gold miners. It was a good week last week. We'll see what this week brings. I do think Aphria is ready to pull back. We could potentially see one more green day, maybe touch $13 and then sell off maybe till 11. Some traders are definitely going to want to take some profits eventually. Green growth brands. I didn't even know we pulled that up. As green growth brands share price climbs, they got more buying power to buy Aphria, so maybe they can up their bid. That's what I could see driving the share price of Aphria. Profit and going back in this week. Sold Maramed. Yo, Diego. I would be a little cautious on Kronos right now. Especially going long term at its 52-week high. That's kind of a no-no for me. What's up, Tom? Thank you for joining. You know, I was actually thinking about messaging you. Actually, you know what? If you want to go live, I don't know what you're up to right now, Tom. Maybe you're watching the Super Bowl or you're gonna have dinner, but if you send me an invite on Zoom, we could have a chat. I'd be up for it. What's up, Ryan? Yeah. So yeah, just let me know what you're thinking. As I did say, you know, we can do a live stream together, so that'd be pretty cool. Super Bowl in 1 hour. What is your favorite strain of bud? That's a great question. I like a relaxing indica. That's my favorite. But favorite strain? It's hard to say. Leafly is actually a pretty sweet website. Are you 21 plus or a medical patient? What if you're from Canada? Oh. Explore strains. Dad duty Wednesday next week maybe. Sure. Hit me up. Hit me up. Send me a message on Twitter. You can do that. Strains from A to Z. You know what? We need a strain called Departures Capital. What kind of strain would that be? Oh, I didn't even know this. Oh my gosh, there's so many strains, guys. Let's see. Hard to say. There's just too many. Some kind of kush, maybe. Oh my gosh. This is a cannabis stream, so I'm allowed to talk about this, right, guys? What the heck? Okay, we're not even gonna do this anymore. We'll just get back to the stocks. Jacob headband is good. OG Kush crossed with sour diesel. Jason. For what it's worth, yin and yang and can't trust it. Acres by Sunset Canopy is a thumbs up, holy grail. Maybe we'll make our own strain one day, guys. Maybe one day. Oh, so I had an interesting idea. So I was talking to my friend, my business partner, the guy behind all of our thumbnails and all of our branding and all that kind of stuff. And we were thinking about starting like a legit show, kind of like Midas Letter, but kind of getting like a small studio, doing like a live stream show. What do you guys think about that? That's kind of next on our list for like channel developments, because I've taken the approach to Departures Capital from like a YouTuber perspective, where I'm literally the YouTuber, but I kind of want to make like a show. Maybe get an investor, something like that. Because I think like as long as I'm in control and just like, yeah, as long as I'm leading the show kind of thing, I feel like I could organize some interesting stuff. So that's kind of what I was thinking about. We've already had some cool guests on the show. I mean, well, Midas Letter was nice enough to have me on his show, but I think it'd be cool to kind of make like a studio and stuff and have some guests, bring you guys, you know, some CEO interviews, more CEO interviews, I guess you could say. So that's kind of what we're thinking about doing. So, I mean, obviously Departures Capital is like a media company essentially. So yeah, that's kind of what we're thinking about. Anyways, back to a couple. I think Barrick Gold would pay you for your new idea. Would you consider Clear One's services? Thanks, Max. Yeah, honestly, I want to do a few more interviews in the gold mining sector. Love Barrick Gold. Could never get behind Dan unless he builds an unreal board of directors. That's a great... Yeah, let's look at the stock chart for Bills. This stock's all over the place. I never touched this IPO. Lost in weed stocks. I never touched this IPO. It's a trader's stock at this point. It's just too volatile. I would wait until it calms down. I can definitely see this stock downtrending. I mean, look what happened to Australis Capital and Canopy Rivers. I will never jump in first day IPO. Especially on a hype stock like this. This is just pure hype stock. Why is it getting so dark in here? Might have to turn some lights on for you guys. It gets dark here fast in Canada. Watch the welcome party. They're going to be huge. I mean, Dan definitely has a lot of big investors behind him, but buying first day is kind of risky. Let me just turn on a light. Oh, there we go. How's that? Much better. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I'll stream for another 20 minutes or so, since it's been like 40 minutes this time. So guys, let's take a look at Aurora Cannabis, the actual chart. Will we see 10 bucks this week? I think we will see 10 bucks this week. ACB just looks like it's ready for the double digits again. What do you guys think? As volatile as it is, the chart for ACB doesn't really look that bad. I actually like the volatility because there's been lots of times to add. I think ACB's saving some sort of announcement for this coming quarter. Yeah, I think you could be right, Tom. Be nice to see ACB touch at least 1050. Was so tempted to buy this pullback. I was like 1 day away, but ACB, I wanted to pick up ACB at like $8. I had an order in for ACB at $8, but it never hit because it never hit $8. What do you think about Pure, guys? A little cautious on Pure right now. It's had a nice run. I feel like Pure could drop to 25 cents. Trade sideways for a bit, or we're just going to explode into the 30s. We've tried to break above 30 twice already. But there are a lot of positive developments for Pure recently. So 35 cents, I'll take some profit on Pure. We're in Pure for 20 cents. This ain't no hip hop beat. Reggaeton. I don't want reggaeton. Royalty free music. Let's hope that this is not copyrighted. You know what? I'm just gonna go back to the old stuff. No reggaeton, no reggaeton. There we go. We'll play this again. Alright. What's the ongoing sentiment about the Falls edibles becoming legal? When did you buy Cron? I bought Cron last year at $8. It was one of the best trades of the year, actually. That Cron trade, but I wish I held it. Took 110% profit in 2 weeks, and I was like, I'm out. I think it was this this swing right here. $8 to 17. All right, guys, so we've got about 15 minutes left. So what I'm going to do is talk about some potential trades for the year, or for the week. What I need to do is get an earnings calendar. I want to see the where is it? Economic. Here we go. Oh, you guys can't see that, can you? Sorry. Again, we lost you guys again. I'm sorry. I don't know what it is with my internet. You guys still there? This time it didn't disconnect completely, at least. So Monday there's not too much news. Tuesday, in terms of the economic calendar, we're going to see job openings, federal budget balance. It's not really a big deal. Wednesday, we're going to see some big news. Core CPI. It's not too heavy on the news this week. Thursday, we're going to see PPI. This is a pretty light week for data. I don't expect it to be a super volatile week this week, guys. Close up a bunch of these tabs. All right. Namaste, anyone. Now could be a good time to add to Namaste. Do you like Namaste? Oh, that's not the stock I want. That's Namaste on the US side. We took a look at Namaste already today, just a little bit. But I do think Namaste around $1.30. It's definitely looking pretty. It's looking like it's leveling out. Namaste's due for a run. Biggest companies are Cannabis, Aurora, and Aphria. Yes, sir. So, guys. This stream again. 10 more minutes. And we're live again. I'm going to stay for 10 more minutes. I'll let you guys watch the Super Bowl soon. I probably won't be watching the Super Bowl. But thanks for joining, guys. I appreciate it. And like I said, we're going to be sticking to our live stream schedule. So tomorrow we're going to be live at 10 a.m. 10 to 11 a.m. Tuesday and Thursday we're going to test out a 2 to 3 p.m. live stream. And I'll make a couple more videos. Now, I want to do a lot more top 3 videos. So can you guys please request what sectors you would like to see top 3 videos for? Craziness. Because this weekend I did a top 3 oil video. Top 3 small cap cannabis stocks, top 3 large cap cannabis stocks, top 3 defensive stocks, stuff like that. Which videos do you find the most valuable, or you're most like inclined to watch? Because I want to focus in on content. This week I'll be doing a stream every single day of the week, and I'll be doing the market minute like always. We always put that out, and then we're going to do a lot of top 3 videos like that kind of stuff. Top 3 cannabis technology. Okay, cool. Let me just write this down. Robotics and IT. Thanks, Doug. I try. Cannabis technology. Also, I'm going to have a more so like a schedule for my live streams, because today was just to be honest, today I was basically just winging it because I just wanted to talk to you guys because it's Sunday. Top 3 dividend, I like that. Oh, again. We try. Top 3 dividend stocks. What about top 3 healthcare stocks? I definitely do think Cron is going to pull back eventually. So you could do, okay, that's a great idea. You could go by tier. Top 3, tier 1, 2, 3 picks. That's great. Great idea. And then, of course, we'll put out as much news we can about Aurora Cannabis. Aurora ACB is going to be the biggest stock because of their acquisitions. Tomorrow, hopefully, should keep running. What's your thoughts on Believe? Haven't looked into it that much. I am going to have to reset my internet because it just keeps disconnecting, and I don't know what's going on. It's killing the stream. So we're gonna go in about 2 minutes, guys. I apologize for the crappy internet connection. It just doesn't like me today. The Super Bowl is telling us that you should not be streaming when the Super Bowl is on. Okay. Supreme Cannabis. Supreme Cannabis, gotcha. Sounds good, Tom. Let's do that stream. I'm down. Thank you for tuning in. So guys, I'm actually going to head out myself. Feel free to drop any more comments about any other kinds of videos that you want to see. I'm going to be making way more videos this week, and we're going to be a lot more dedicated. So like I said, the schedule for streams is on our website, departurescapital.com. You'll see exactly when we're streaming, and feel free to shoot me an email to contact@departurescapital.com if you want any other videos, any viewer requests, any stuff like this. We do it for you guys. You guys keep us alive. And that's pretty much it. So I hope your team wins. I'm not going to be watching the Super Bowl, but I hope your team wins. So enjoy your night, enjoy your Sunday evening, guys, and yeah, have a good one. We will be back Monday morning, 10 a.m. live streaming. So have a good one, guys. Sorry about the crappy internet connection. Bye-bye.